Welcome back to TechCrumbs. Today we're going to show you how to pair the Apple Watch SE to an iPhone device. So first thing, if you don't have the Apple Watch app, you should download it, but it should be on your phone when you get a new iPhone. And we have an Apple Watch which is currently charging because it was low on battery. So make sure you have battery on your watch. And here it says bring iPhone near watch. So basically we could have the watch be close and there we go. Basically, it detects, use this phone to set up this Apple Watch. Let's say continue. And here we say set up for myself or for a family member, say a kid if you have children. It said say for myself. Position the Apple Watch in the frame. So we're going to go ahead and put that in this frame. And now it's paired. I guess it has some sort of pattern, so to see that. So we're going to restore from backup because we erased this before. And we have this watch, which we had basically unpaired now. So we go there. If we want to set it up as a new watch, we can set it up there. We bought a secondhand one. And let's go ahead and say continue. And you can see here it shows Apple Watch, 44 millimeters, and it's connecting by Apple Watch. This might take a little while. During this process, just wait, let it be. Make sure you have battery in both your phone and your watch, and just give it the time it takes to pass all the information between, because it's rebooting or saving the previous watch onto here. If it was a new one, it would be a clean watch and it wouldn't be that hard. This one, as it's rebooting from a previous one, we have to agree with terms and conditions. Agree. Sign into your account. This might take a few minutes, so it will take a little while. So let's give it a second and come back when it finishes. Share settings, Apple Watch, share settings with iPhone and location. Let's say OK. Bold text, you can choose the size, so you can have really big size if you don't need it, or keep it at a normal size. Also bold if you want it to be bigger, and then we can go and continue. Apple passcode, we don't want a passcode, but you could create a passcode. We can create this later. Keep it up to date. Let's say we want to do the install updates manually. Emergency SOS, and here we go. Grid view or list view. We can choose which one we prefer. Either the grid, which is like that grid that you can move around, or the list that you can basically use the magic wheel to go down. Let's say the grid view. Accept, get to know your watch. Basically it's syncing. As you can see, there's a little status here. You can see that white little dot. We can go to watch videos on what to do, but we are done with that part, and all we have to do now is let it sync. It's going to take some time, but that is basically how you repair an Apple Watch SE to an iPhone device. As you can see, it's just going to take some time to do. You can see the progress here and here. This is going to take a few minutes. Make sure you have battery for both devices so you don't run out while it's doing the installation. If not, you're going to have to restart from scratch. So yeah, thanks for watching. See you in the next one. And if you have any questions, let us know in the comments below. Bye.